today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Affirm app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps this here, and there you're looking for my Affirm app. You just click on it here, or just click on search, then here, so add here Affirm app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here, you search here for Affirm app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.